So you bought some stickers, but you don't know how to get them into Goodnotes. Let me show you how to download your digital stickers from Etsy or from my shop and how to import those right into the Goodnotes app. So you bought some stickers and now you want to figure out how do you get those stickers into Goodnotes. So I'm going to show you how to do that from my website if you bought them exactly from my paperheartsplanners.com or if you bought them from Etsy. They're going to look different depending on which store you bought them from. So first let's talk about my store. If you buy them from my store, after you hit checkout and you get the thank you page, you're going to get this button that says access digital content. And when you get that button, it's going to take you to this page where you have 4 different options of stickers that you can download. You have a PNG, an SDocs file, a Goodnotes file, and a Noteful file. And what those are, the PNGs are exactly what it sounds like. They are individual images of every sticker. Within this file, it's a zip folder, and there are probably anywhere from 500 to 900 stickers. I don't recommend using these unless you have to. The SDocs, those are for Android users, and these are files that you can open within the Samsung Notes document or Samsung Notes app, and they have all your stickers there where you can copy them and paste them into the app that you're using. The Goodnotes files is the Goodnotes stickers that you can use in the Goodnotes app. It is all the stickers pre-cropped where you can move them around, copy them, and paste them in Goodnotes. And the same for Noteful, just for the Noteful app instead of like the Goodnotes app. So in this video, we're going to talk about Goodnotes, and so you want to download the Goodnotes stickers. So to do that, you're just going to tap on it, and it's going to pop up and click download. And those are going to download to your device. Now, once you've downloaded them, you want to swipe off of your internet, and you want to go to Goodnotes. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to New, and then hit import, and then you want to click right here, make sure you're on recents, and it'll have the last thing that you downloaded. Now, very, very, very important, this looks like a zip file, and this trips everyone up, especially if you're a first-time Goodnotes user. It looks like a zip file, but you do not need to unzip it. It is not a zip file. That's just the only way that your Files app knows how to read it, and it's just the icon that it applies to it. It is not a zip folder. You don't need to unzip it. You can simply just click on it as long as it says .goodnotes at the end of it. Click on it and hit open. You do not need to unzip it. Nothing will unzip. You'll just be clicking on it over and over again and nothing will happen. And once you do that and you hit open, it's going to pop up, and now you can click on any of the stickers, move them around, copy them, and paste them to your digital planner. So that's how you import the Goodnotes file and use the Goodnotes stickers from my website. So now let's talk about if you bought them from Etsy and not from my website. When you purchase from Etsy, Etsy doesn't let you add a ton of files to their website for you to be able to download. They have a storage limit. So instead, we have to provide you with something like this PDF that gives you a link to the stickers. So, and this is going to be, you're going to find this for like anybody you buy from, not just me. So you're going to get this PDF, and what it's going to open up in like a reader folder on your iPad. It's going to look like this, and it will if you use your pen, it'll let you write on it. So what you want to do instead, don't use your pen. Just use your finger and click access files. You might have to like long press on it, and then it's going to pop up and ask you if you want to open it. So we're going to click open, and if you have Dropbox already installed on your iPad and you're a Dropbox user, it's going to pop up like this. Now, yours might look different than this because this is where I have the sticker saved. So yours might not have this over here, but it will have this over here. And what you want to do is click up here on these 3 dots and hit save to device. You don't want to hit extract. You just want to go up here and hit save to device. Now it's going to pop up and ask you where you want to save it. Just click save to files, let it export, and it's going to save to your files. And then once it's done, we'll open our Files app. And it's going to ask us where we want to save it. You can just save it to your downloads or your iCloud drive. I'm going to save it to my downloads. Then I'm going to go open my Files app, go to my downloads, and it's going to be right here. Now, this is a zip file. It might take a second for it to upload to your iCloud, but you're going to want to unzip this. This is a file that you have to unzip because this is all 4 sticker set files, not just the Goodnotes file. So tap on it to extract it. And you can see over here it extracted. Sometimes they like move around while you're extracting it, but then you can click it and it'll open here. Now we have all 4 files. You have your .goodnotes file, your notebook file, your Samsung Notes file, and your SDoc file. If you can't tell which one's which, you can change how your orientation is. You can change it from a list view to, I don't want to select it. You can change it to a list view, and then you'll be able to see the names of it here. You want the Goodnotes file. So there's 2 different options you can do. You could go to Goodnotes, how I showed you just before, and you could import that. Now, sticker files are a lot smaller than planners, so you could import this directly into Goodnotes from here, and 99% of the time you shouldn't have trouble, but there eventually in your life you will have trouble with it. So if you just clicked on Goodnotes here and you clicked up here, went to export and go to more and open in Goodnotes, then Goodnotes will pop open, and you can hit right here, import as a new document, and import to documents, or if you want it into a folder. Now, I noticed Goodnotes was having a little trouble, so it was a little slow, but it did open that file, and now we're all good to go. So that's how you can import it from your Files app into Goodnotes, and I only recommend doing that if it's a sticker file and a small file. Don't ever do that if it's a planner, because your hyperlinks will most likely get broken trying to import such a large planner from files to Goodnotes instead of Goodnotes from files. So that is how you download your stickers from my shops onto Goodnotes.